Hello peeps, it's December the 2nd and this is not sponsored by Galaxy or the postcode lottery. Right, so we're going to open door number 2 on the calendar and door number 2 on the postcode lottery to find out what message is inside. And I've got help with Elf the Elf today, again. Right, here we go, door number 2. Open door number 2. Today we have Snowman. Snowman today. Thanks, mate. And door number 2 on the postcode lorry. Right. Action East Devon. Let me chew this. Snowman. Delivered theme. Musical memories. Choir sessions for those with dementia. So to me that means that people with dementia is a horrible disease. There's no cure. But if you play something to someone, it might jog their memory, like a song or a picture, and then they might bring back memories of what they might remember, and it's like a memory jogger to bring them back to, they might think of, I don't know, like they're saying, a musical memory. Play a song and then it might spark back a memory to think back of what they did back then, and it jogs people's memories. Or if you give them a crossword or a picture, and it might just bring that spark back to them to think of, like, oh yeah, I remember that, and then they start remembering again. That's what I think the Action Devon musical memory might be. So that's my opinion. Anyway, you've been watching the Galaxy and the postcode lottery opening of day number 2, December, with Alf the Elf, and you've just been watching the 4K eyebrow. Thanks.